After several attempts to sharpen a saw chain on a bar using a file, I came to the conclusion that it is almost impossible for an inexperienced user. I decided to buy a set with templates for this purpose. The set includes a round file with a diameter of 4.8 millimeters, a template for a round file with marks for setting the required sharpening angle, a flat file, a gauge for grinding down the cut limiter, and 2 handles. First, you need to securely fasten the handles on the file so that it is comfortable to hold. This is important. The file is securely attached to the template with clamps and can be quickly removed if necessary. To prevent the chain from moving, I secured it in a vise, trying to hold the template horizontally and relative to the chain at 30 degrees. Focusing on the marks, I smoothly move the file along the cutting tooth. In this case, I press not downwards, but towards the cutting tooth. I repeat this movement several times. Having sharpened the teeth on one side, we move on to the other. Here you need to be patient. The main thing is not to rush and observe the sharpening angle. Now you need to check the height of the cut limiter. We take the gauge and apply it to the upper points of the cutting teeth. If the limiter protrudes, then it must be filed down. In my case, the limiter does not protrude, so filing is not required. And so we check for all the teeth. After sharpening, to remove shavings, I thoroughly wash the chain with gasoline. Wipe it with a brush from all sides. Judging by the gasoline residue, it is clear that there is a lot of dirt on the chain. I wipe the chain with a rag and fill it with oil for a while. After soaking, I thoroughly wipe it and install it on the saw. Now I'll go try it out. I can say that after such sharpening, the saw cuts literally a little better. Of course, it will take small branches, but for serious work, it is not suitable. It saws slowly. The sawdust is small. Perhaps I don't have enough experience to sharpen it myself, but I understand that such tools are made with the expectation that every amateur can work with them. I probably wouldn't recommend this sharpening method to anyone. Subscribe to the channel. Patience to everyone.